Alright. Camera test 3. See how this one did. My neighbors are probably gonna start turning against me. Nah, they're all good people. They don't mind. They know I'm not. 1, 2. Second gear. Third. This one's kind of hard to gauge because wherever I point my head, it's going to change the camera. I'm used to having the chest mount where it doesn't go anywhere. You set it. Alright, I better get back to my yard work. I just left all my shit out in the yard to start playing with this motorcycle because GoPro camera mount came in the mail.